The Oregon Heritage Commission is pleased to present a 2026 Oregon Heritage Excellence Award to the Mark Prairie Historical Society for the restoration of the Mark Prairie Schoolhouse. The Mark Prairie Schoolhouse, built in 1879, has long stood as a cornerstone of rural life in South Clackamas County. For generations, it nurtured children, hosted community gatherings, and anchored the rhythms of farm life. By 2021, however, this treasured landmark faced a crisis. Two massive oak trees, toppled by an ice storm, crushed the roof, leaving the building exposed and in peril. The Mark Prairie Historical Society, an all-volunteer organization, rose to the challenge. Guided by the vision and expertise of project manager Peggy Sigler and a dedicated team of descendants, volunteers, and historic preservationists, they embarked on a restoration that would take 4.5 years and cost $1.2 million. Every decision prioritized authenticity, sustainability, and community. Original materials were preserved and reused wherever possible. New elements were carefully crafted to match pre-1900 construction, from hand-milled oak countertops to custom double doors. Subtle adaptations ensured code compliance and ADA accessibility without compromising historical integrity. Local craftsmen, suppliers, and contractors collaborated closely with volunteers, bringing skill, patience, and care to every detail. This project restored more than physical structure. It revived the spirit of the schoolhouse as a gathering place, creating a versatile space for weddings, reunions, classes, and heritage tourism. Original artifacts, from 4-H certificates to vintage school desks, were returned, and the story of the Mark Prairie community is now preserved and celebrated for future generations. In May 2025, the community celebrated the completed restoration, opening the doors once again to neighbors, descendants, and visitors. Today, stepping inside the Mark Prairie Schoolhouse is a step back in time, a living testament to the resilience, skill, and devotion of all who made this remarkable restoration possible.